new music video reaction. This time I am going to react to rookie group 410's Tornado. So they just came out with this new song. It came out yesterday, but because I had other things to do, I wasn't able to react to it. So this is the first music video I'm going to react to. So 410 Tornado. Let's get to it. Like her dress? Nope, I don't need you. She's so skinny. Pretty flowers. Like her dress. Get away from me. Where is this? California? Your outfit is really, really colorful. It's a really simple dance. Wink. Oh yeah. That rap is like, woo! I like her jacket. Got like a nail art selfie. Like a tornado. I did not even know that she was gonna say go, but I always wanted to play with that. Never played with that before. I don't even know what it is called in English though. She don't need you. Yeah, you don't need him. He's like a tornado. Like this scene right here looks really familiar. I've seen this place before. Really familiar. Like when I saw the picture, I was like, this reminds me of a, like I've seen that place before. But I love the song. It's really nice. I like the song a lot for like a rookie group. That was a really nice song, and then I really like the rap that was in there as well. Really nice. Now I don't know any of the members' names, so I can't really say who it was. But I love the song. Dancing was really simple. It was nothing much to it, but it was really simple dance. Music video wise, there wasn't much to it. It was pretty much like a dance music video, except in the beginning there was a little drama going on, but other than that, it's just a regular dancing music video, so not that bad. The song, I feel like, I guess it goes with the music video, I'm not really sure, but I think so, because the lyric says you're like a tornado. So I'm guessing like the guy has like just mix up emotions, or like just really weird, like you can't really tell what's going on, I think. But anyways, I love the song. Music video was okay. Dancing was really simple. I love the outfits. They're really colorful, really flowery. Now when I say flowery, I don't mean like it has flowers on it, but just like a lot of design and a lot of things going on. But it was nice. I really like it. It's really nice. Great job for 10. It was a really nice debut song. Okay, so yeah, that is that for this music video reaction. If there are any other music videos you want me to react to, simply just comment below, and I will see you guys next time. 안녕.